Within any chat, you have the ability to change media. You can do this by going to the top right corner and selecting video, audio, or screen sharing. If we select video call, it calls the party that you're currently chatting with. When they've answered the call, you're now connected on video. If you move your mouse, it brings up a menu bar that shows your call duration. It lets you turn your camera on or off. You can enable or disable your microphone. You can screen share, and the three dots brings up more actions, where you can change your background effects. Selecting that opens a dialog box to the right. You can select any preset image if you want, and click Apply. This changes the background image behind you. You can also add a custom image if you want by selecting Add New, and browse to the location where your photo is stored, select, and click Open. Return to the right side and scroll down to find the image that you've just uploaded and select it and click Apply. The image appears now behind you as your backdrop. Select the X to close. If you move your mouse, you'll see the call duration, the ability to turn your camera on or off, the ability to mute your microphone, to screen share, and you'll see three dots. Selecting that brings up a new menu where you can turn off incoming video. Doing so will improve your audio stream and your video stream. You also have the ability to show chats on the right side. You can show participants. You also have the ability to invite somebody new. You can also select the hang up icon to terminate the call.